Guys, it's Kelsey, and today I'm going to tell you about the progress that I made with my 2-week ab and leg challenge. And this is the first time I've ever done anything like this, the first time I'm ever taken progress pictures, so don't judge me too hard on it. I know now that I probably would have done a couple things different with the pictures. I probably would have gotten better lighting and also worn the same thing every single time, but I'm pretty happy with the progress. And I'm also going to include about some of what I ate during the time and a comparison of every single day. So here it is. Okay guys, here is day 1 of working out. If you want these videos, you can follow me on TikTok, Workouts with Kel, but I'm also going to provide a tutorial and some screenshotable sheets at the end. But here are my progression pictures for day 1. I provide the times so that y'all know because it has an effect on your body. Okay, here is day 2 of working out, and I really couldn't tell anything different between 1 and 2 in my progression pictures, as you can see right here. But I could definitely tell a difference between working out on day 1 and day 2. Day 1, it was a lot harder for me, and I had to take a lot more breaks. And here is day 3. Like I said before, I really couldn't see anything different in my progression pictures, but I felt better while I was working out. Here is day 4. I got to work out with my sister, and as you can see, I hit the crap out of my hand in the beginning. But day 4, I saw great improvement, as you can see on the third right picture. I felt really good about myself, so I even had a little photo shoot with my sister. She took the pictures, and I actually got activewear from this store called Lucky Active, and they gave me a code for 20% off, so y'all can go get their clothing for 20% off if y'all use my code Kelsey Schneller. Here is day 5, and I took a progression picture of my legs, as you can see in the middle picture. And here is day 6 of working out. As you can see in my progression pictures, in the left hand corner I included a picture that shows an update of my leg progress. And here is day 7. I don't know what happened, but I forgot to take progression pictures, so there is none for this day. And here is day 8. And these pictures were a little bit dark, so I had to increase the lighting on these, but I promise I didn't change anything else about them. And here is day 9. It was very beautiful outside, so I decided to work out outside. But anyway, here are my progression pictures, and as you can see on the left, I was starting to have some toning on my lower stomach. And here is day 10. By this day, I was super sore and it was super hard to work out. So it was kind of hard to flex in these pictures. They aren't the best pictures, but here's my honest results. And here is day 11. Let me tell you, it was getting harder to work out every single day, but I kept it up. And by this day, I was starting to see some definition on the side of my abs, as you can see in the second left picture. And here is day 12. I was starting to see a lot of progress in my legs, especially my calves, but here are my progress pictures. Here is day 13 of 14 in this challenge, and I was very happy with my progress that I was seeing in my legs, as you can see in the second to left picture. Day 14, and I was so excited to finally be done with the challenge. I enjoyed it so much, and it definitely motivated me. Here are my progression pictures for day 14, and here is a comparison of all of my progression pictures. Here are some of the foods that I ate during this challenge, and I'm not gonna lie, as the challenge went on, I kind of started to eat a little bit worse than I did in the beginning, like eating cookies and stuff like that, as you can see right here. But overall, I did okay. I ate a lot of salads, as you can see here, but yeah, I definitely didn't go on a strict diet. And here is the ab challenge that y'all can screenshot, and here is the leg challenge that y'all can screenshot. I had to split the leg challenge into two different sheets because there's just too much information. But basically in the first one I had the 2 different sets that I did, and on the second one I had what I did for each day. And I also provided 2 other sheets that y'all can print that might help you stay motivated and track how much water you drink. Thank y'all so much for watching. I seriously appreciate all of y'all's support, and it would really help me if y'all gave me a thumbs up because it took me so long to edit and film this video.